Edu Boahene and instructed Mamia your friend Mildred Donko. I say me and Edu Boahene Mami is Asikano every year the national security for accounts 2.5 million Ghana cedis. It's a Ghana scano, so open so can about 250 billion.
I don't take so. I don't take madness. I don't take far.
We in concern can the judge in the trying judgment in your queen.
Wontumi means strong. Now problem run Wontumi. Wontumi, mama. Some me nujra ho. Yeah. For so that for do what. Now answer me. What me?
A dear be upon your pesset. Efa a ye sa galam say case will a dear be on your pesset to a court. A dear be on your pesset.
Even illegal nigga. What is the difference? The difference is a document.
The panano ya akonta mine general manager no or say omura nimrim forest no na enye ono na instruct you chairman Wontumi na friend ka say monfa excavators ni wuram
say me buy ya na juma yi we will push ubatimia pushing Wontumi
omo chairman Wontumi ka chom so omumbu de enkwai no ngu nti yete asese ade na yeje e wo court. After all these things share the eba no chairman is clocking Wontumi instructed us to mine internal Nimiri Forest Reserve. Edward Ekuokun, former general manager, Akonta Mining, tells court. Eye, Chairman Wontumi ankasa, the former manager, no share Akonta Mining sunyina. Your friend Edward Ekuokun, and there occupy court. Ewo eye tano Nimiri case na eye court, eye criminal case eye Wontumi jina ho court no. Now. Omkodi court no ena chairman Wontumi ankasa general manager na ohwe Akonta Mining nso nyina no o say o kama court atiase omwura forest ni mu no omkodis gold omko say nsuo ekobu nnua ese Ghana nsase no eye chairman Wontumi na instruct omse omkoye we in concern kende ya judge ni try judgment ni ekoye nim edian biempa na yepese yete efa eye sa galam say case we ede ebiem ne pese yete court ede ebiem ne pese yete nipa na oya Akonta Mining general manager no o say omura nimrim forest no na enye ono na instruct you chairman Wontumi na friend ka say monfa excavators ni wuram mumbundua muntu amena monsa koko monsa nsuo o say chairman Wontumi and instruct bronika say instructor bro fumu yaka say instructor ni twimu ya say oshewo say your way instruct. It is similar to forcing you because when you are instructed you have less opinion to say no. So every time you are being instructed, anything called sojemua, you are given instructions. That means you obey before you complain. It is like I say, you have been instructed. It means you are being what? You are being forced in quotes to take care of a business. It was say, you foresee omo instruct you omo chairman Wontumi catch so omumbu de enquire ngu. Inti yete asisi ade na yeje e court. Ede na yeje wo court. Ede na yesi aye wo court ye waste time. Nipa na ohwa Akonta Mining say judge papa we ne ka say yenko bunsuo yenko bunua yenko sensuo yentu judge yenwie ne yenko fie yetete court yeden yetete court say yetete court yeden judge with all due respect Mr. Judge, what are we doing in court now? What are we doing? Akwana na ejuma no ode na hweso nyina no o si boga ene ma instructions ene de excavators ni wura nim ene sensuo ene tu gala ene budan ejeje ya bibia yesi a case nko se nde ne o kire ya judge to be judgment ni ko yenim because I'm paying way we are just wasting time on Chairman Wontumi. We are just wasting time on Chairman Wontumi. I believe, say, with all due respect to the judge, he or she should not push this case again. It's done. Ya can we see? Show na see. Chuck Norris moving na ende. Bruce Lee ada. Ye we ade bia pa na ya petie. De ne pese tie de say, why na ma to me ma obi ko wura asase so. Nipa na ko wura asase o se Chairman Wontumi na ma to me. Se se ayetete ha ye den. Bebraya ye kenyina ye hwan na ma hwan kwan ma ne ko ye sa ewudi sem no eno ano no hwan na ma instructions no ma ewudi sem no course nipa na okodi ewudi sem no o say ma abrantie we friend chairman Wontumi ono ne ka say yenkoye asema sa long story bi eni ho we ngidwamu bi anim ena ye kwaba ena your honor ena excuse me your honor ena lawyer Nkutagene your honor we are simple.
My lord, it's me. Sorry, my lord, it's I. It's I, lawyer Nkutagene. Please, my lord, can you give me a time I explaining things to you? The case is old case. It's 1978, 28th century, the case. But it's not now the case. Thank you, my lord. Yes, please, my lord. My lord, it's me. Sorry, my lord, it's I. It's I, lawyer Nkutagene. Please, my lord, can you give me a time I explaining things to you? The case is old case. It's 1978, 28th century, the case. But it's not now the case. Thank you, my lord.
Thank you, my lord. Yes, my lord. It's an old case. This case is a finished case, my lord. Nkutagene has said it. Long be from your statutory court, they pass a makupeneti. Yeah, by my lord. Thank you. Please, can you do this? Can you change this document? Nina bro, for you can Nina Asamaku pity. One a mayor could two a year asa. My lord. The article Yakobina, yeah, tie, yeah, ye che, yeah, Shakasokni, Ninano, near Passabaku, my lord. One the Kobuniano. One the go to Asasero. One day would assassin my young man, the quines on Koye, my lord, and a demuno, and my lord. Wait, to see a plan, bang. My lord, into me, coffee, and cochown. And I say, me come myself, never poor, my lord. Branaba bomb me cat, where ye do that. My lord, Kono Kotometia, me ya, so wouldn't me just say, my lord, where is to see a plan? Aqua, me rapper. My lord, Alpha, we are clocking. My lord, we are still clocking. You don't have to do too much, my lord. The finality has been finalized, my lord. Let us clock by this week. Clock it. Alaji, ever want go for more?
I do. What have I been doing? What
My lord, we have clocked for you. We are clocking. We have clocked it. This is a simple clocking. We did a bien, my lord. Let's not waste time and money on this. The near person long bien. The Lotto doctor is a good Samaritan, my lord. My lord, he is a good Samaritan. That's why he has given me my own numbers. What are they? 3, 32, 64. You must be joking. 25, 17, 10. Sure, banker. My lord. You are. Let's not stress about this. My lord. We will clock. We are clocking. Now you say we're another courtroom. Another banger. Edu Boahene case listen here. Another mirror Mexico. Another banger. Edu Boahene case this waba. Kwabena Edu Boahene caused 2.5 million Ghana cedis to be sent to Rashida Sani's Wanza Limited from BNC bank account. We abayua na sebio oye juma ema obi aye freno eye Kwabena Edu Boahene. Another banger. And the bangers the Dawson. Or see, Your Honor, my lord. You see, or see, Kwabena Edu Boahene ne juma. O mamitam sika pole 2.5 million new Ghana cedis. Mami chiro, you got 2.5 million new Ghana. Oh menjia, one da hono. Tete Ghana no, 20 Ghana no. Ya be shisha ahwaka nkwa 45,000. Ba be hwie sike guo enko ho. 2.5 million new Ghana no. It is tete 10,000 articulate nkwa 30,000. Abe hwie sike guo. No hwie no adana no ko na foforo ba. Sa sika no abrayo we say eye Edu Boahene ne transfer sa sika no koma ama abibi ye frɛ no eye den Rashida Sani eye national security for sika otam 2.5 million new Ghana tete Ghana sika no mo amuti asantemem no mo amuni menhia pa no uwura entrance no mu a wo na ya to no ekwan na da ho no nyina no ahwiaka 30,000 omu nyina back no mo yegu bra no bokọ saa sika na edu Boahene tam mai koma maame baako wei ede na eda ho te ha na yeso nsam so your friend Rashida Sani's Nsawam Limited almost sending sika free BNC bank account edu Boahene and instructed maame a your friend Mildred Donko or say me and edu Boahene mami yi saa sika no every the national security for accounts 2.5 million Ghana cedis. Tete Ghana sika no se opeso ka about 250 billion. Pay obeto nakato Ghana nyina ni Kumasi nyina still enso 250 billion. Enye sikawa. And the court asema wate wa masum no sika podio 2.5 million new Ghana. Tete Ghana no 250 billion. South Central kosi santase ewura eye bantama ebetume dwiri dan ho nyina egu esijan foforo. I'm telling you 250 billion. Just say what one is on tete, but it's all good. A court, let the process work. Now another banger. You don't court. I was given pre-signed checks to withdraw and wire transfers. Mildred Donko, third prosecutor witness in Edu Boahene's case, tells court. My man say, she, no, obebano, na check, yasin signed the ho. And a brother friend and pre-signed. Obekoni has signed it. Na Obaya say, sa check way. Confess ko transfer kwa 100 billion, 300 billion, 400 billion. Or say the human say oba no atam no akọ send transfer. Che say na sika we du Boahene ho a otam Ghana sika or so send kwa ha, otam Ghana sika or so send kwa ha. 50 billion Ghana and say mo amote asantimemu no menhia enche ho right ho no no 50 billion. Ahwiaka be 450. Omu nyina ba pe no ma be hwegu still endu sa sika no. Saa sikari nyina ko MPP asemesi ho ene nda yegina court a another banger eya witnesses no chirechirem we ni sika afa di pansem o. Saa sika we ebetuma yeswami interchange ebetuma sikonfo no che eya den eya statue nkwa 545,000 Kumasi me ka kire o. Saa sika we saa 2.5 ebetuma sikonfo no che statue saa konfo no che ebetuma sibia ofie bia mu. Nas ni sika no bodua na gold ye betuma ye bi saa sika nyina MPP for Edu Boahene afedi we air court another banger. Kobna Edu Boahene sent huge sums of monies from BNC account to friends and businesses including proprietor of Alhaji's wife Wache Rashida Sani. Mukai se me ka kire mu se saa maame na ye friend no eye de Rashida saa Alhaji Alhaji's wife Wache esema bibi oton Wache akoto ship. Sama me mo kai say me ne mo kan asemi fa besides what's the name? Ansa, what's the name? What's the first name? Sa boy been no ejuma national and I'm so surprised to say that boy he's a pre-second. Your friend besides give me the name. Something Ansa. He's still at the National Signal Bureau. MPP for video Jimmy bought bruta. Sa boy no Aslawusu and the share the National Signal Bureau. The boy is still working there as we speak. That boy on an ejuma wema or juma wema Edu Boahene. Do you remember Sa boy made a scandal? The NDC are still keeping that boy at the National Signal Bureau. He's still there. Ben Ansa or a pre-second or that day. Onena or adopting bongo ideas no sa boy na kochi bongo ideas or the idea shade it no the NDC are still keeping that boy at the National Signal Bureau. I'm telling you he's still there. Or no enana or in between Edu Boahene and sa maame no stolen cars ni nyina no enena e kofa problem bre Shatawale no it was this guy. Ben Ansa, go and search. Or that National Signal Bureau. NDC for no. It is sometime I saw my bodam. What is Ben Ansa doing at the National Signal Bureau? Mama bodam. Why is that boy still there? Why is he still? This is a boy who hacked your system in 2020. This is the boy who led the hacking of your system, destroying your system. Election I'm winning here. Say you cannot collate elections. Ben answer any group. Or they are not any those criminals. That those are the people who did it. This boy has been kidnapping people. Ben Ansano Kutatuo Botuo Ghana. The National Signal Bureau. No Oye Jumama Aya Akwawe Edu Boahene. These are criminals. Why are you keeping him there? You want to lose the next elections? These are people who are going to take information and go give back to Akufo-Addo and Bawumia. Are you people stupid? Why are you still keeping Benansa? Why are you keeping Benansa? Benansa, a robber, a murderer, this foolish boy. Then you still keep this boy at the National Signal Bureau? Are you people insane? Ready. Eye sofu trumu, eye intrumu fodwo. And intrum fodwo akotena TV so. Na de na oka. Yasi intrum fodwo ni gay lover they say unretracted. It intrum fodwo enko court. Munim the lawyer nkuta jine. Small boy na ne ma me di 19 on so 12 no. Now, me catch them 2 days ago say intrum fodwo or ye trumudifo or ye gay. Or ye GAY gay. We didn't call for to and the nipa na ofan to no aba bontia be catch say or say intrum fodwo de opebia onye. Now intrum fodwo akotena eye TV so akoka asembi mumientie intrum fodwo. Mumientie asem ni ye pa. Now you see, I keep telling Ghana for anytime a politicians ebedi boni ebechi omono, then they want to politicize it. Mumientie intrum fodwo.
I don't want to glorify him because he's just a tip of the iceberg. The bigger people who are behind him and doing all these things, the government machinery, and I have cause to believe so. When I wrote, my lawyers wrote to him to retract what he wrote back, represented by a known lawyer, a lawyer that is a known NDC member, a lawyer that is visibly key member of the government's delegation to the recent United Nations General Assembly that forcefully sponsored the resolution of the passage of the reparation resolution. We saw Vomao, key part of that delegation, key part of government delegation that represented Ghana and the government at UN in the full company of the president. And you remember it was just this UN trip which returned brought about the government's sudden U-turn on LGBT matters. And so there's a lot.
That is your suspicion.
It's not suspicion. I mean, it is clear. When Angel Maxine started going on his madness on this matter, you know, it was Jubilee House presidential staffers who started promoting this matter. How many sponsors are championing the bill? 10. So why didn't they attack everybody championing the bill? Why did they single out one person? Why did they single out the pastor among them? Why did they single out the NPP among them? Because an NDC lawyer is the one defending, an NDC key member of government delegation, and I stress here, visibly accompanying President Mahama at UN General Assembly. And these are the agencies that support these things.
But this is the very trip. Is a lawyer. He's only doing his job. In fact, he can defend somebody accused of murdering, killing, robbery. He's just doing his job.
So,
no?
is it a coincidence that they go for United Nations General Assembly, and right from that General Assembly that he was visibly, you know, accompanying the president, they come back. The president holds an engagement with CSOs and says that the LGBT matter that has been on the front burner for years now, which became his major campaign message in the run-up to the election, is no longer a priority because of basic needs. Basic needs that did not arise yesterday.
Akwa we asema organizano. Afido kotina radio so si han. Odim say Jubilee House and sponsor eye de eye nipa na odi ni trum na nipa na se onte ase no na onfa ne court. O say odi obi court. We go hu fin say we trumudifo. Obetina TV so I say ai nipa no lawyer no your friend Oliver na Oliver no na say John Mahama na okọ UN General Assembly na Oliver ni ko binti a Jubilee House and a sponsor magazine no say on go enimase. Una watch your letter say woman 7 days. Also woman 7 days undi ne to. And also wedi me to. And also undi ne to woman 7 days onyin free in frame. And also onyin free frame because wedi ne to. After better radio say I see idea no NDC for Jubilee House for omuko General Assembly no magazine na Oliver no ne lawyer your friend Oliver na Oliver no so NDC ni inti NDC for na target no adentina nipa omote anti LGBTQ bill no so no yenka so obi adi to because ono nko a and I'm say when edi to obi adi to unu wakodi to ni ache so edi to adentina opeso force mo bi so kodi to. It is obi to bill a committee so near Mboni dia na ondi to a force say mbo bi din so wedi to wona wedi to ni abo din e dey na wo force who say aden ye mbo bi so din ka ho. Right now you could see he is not actually addressing the matter. You gave the person 7 days. What is this ranting about? Woman and Nanson. What is this ranting about? Prepare your documentations, prepare your lawyers, go to court. Make a chemo say obwa. Na opese ode court ni wuna ehden ode wuna ni gay lover no hwe eye intim fojo na say intrum fojo we di to mu ache na mebusa o say Oliver because Oliver echo UN General Assembly na John Mahama call na Oliver o nti oye ndisi ni a nti abotire ka so oye ndisi ni oya kwasea on the body language no on the confidence ni nyina ayira wan ni won drosum. Yeah, trying say uncle court obwa magazine and some can no kre sa intru for jowe onin kwara da onim and then the last stop knew he is gay because the issue here is the warranty about who cares if even Oliver is an NDC person, who cares? It's the crime we are looking at. He's refusing to. Say, I don't want to glorify him. Now, if you don't want to glorify the magazine guy, why don't you make sure your lawyers go to court? Now, statement OUZ. You have given the person warning. So I retract out in the court. I feel that you don't want to glorify him because NDC is sponsor. Onimso odru quarter. Magazine be you obu video ane ye born to. Now funny etarada and a poto onimse ye betche no. Because magazine ono taking records of everything. Inti onimse ekopie quarter. The whole world be say otarada na funny etarada and a so kwasia me catch them from day one. In true for jo, Sadia na oye anti LGBTQ, yan pass law obwa or they protecting home. Or to differ. So my catch Ghana for every single day. Now where dear so a soft on your soft be a kwasha sorrow nipo your mother. As simple. Trumu udi ana wendi also obiti committee ni so adana mo kese onu so dibi. Wona ye busawo. Adentina omo committee ni so no menkwa ni atagete me because wona weni breto wona wudi to obia ntwa odi to committee ni so obia ni wa obia ba bonta beka se wo so wudi to intisi ya no wona wudi to inti wudi to akoyi wo ho ano wo so wo kokot afede wo busa se adana menkwa na yesi me di to na wudi to no wedi breto ntini ye ba odi so wedi to intim intrumu fojo me catch from day one sa de na opesa okata so sa eye trumu a wa ya che Trumutum akwa we starting mbema die enyende enyende ena trumudifo eye intrumfo jo ene mbema start die ene de you don't want to give the magazine any attention you will give by force to force ya wasanteni abre wo bema no by force attention because anyana me so wonsa ka se chosa letter no bema warning in 7 days na so go to court odan na me se wo asin central for asin south time to me mo no so mo jimi papa. See, I from constituency, no, you're referring to D4 constituency, as in South, and Odru ha, Obia Ferry, a software Muslimin penny4, me pese Muslimin penny for near software, Monya press conference. Now, Monkanchemo MP say, Uncle court, now Uncle Yimu team free, a year, and Kwasum, a year to Dien Kwasum. Every say, Muamugu, as in South, and Ade mo pese mo MP, Oditumuno, a Yamudana, a Yamufana, a Yamudana, see a year de pa. Eyamudana mesia ye depa yanko ni sia na asem ye ne sa trumu ekoso ye ne sa koso Eyamudana asisa odofo Missy Ayamudana, Musi Ayadepa. Ayamudana, is Ayadepa. Young one is here, Nasi, and one is out to Mukoso, down the sa. What, one is sa. What, one is sa. A bofunu. Cocotte. A bofunu. Suffer for Momo. Hey, Malam.
I do what you actually. One not been doing. One not do a Satan. One not do a.
Thank you. I like it horoso, Malam horoso. But the Malam horoso beko a Hajj next year. Now let's look at stories be very important. And the Thursday afternoon show. Show be enjoy. Kevin Taylor your show. Oti TV so your show. Oti radio so there na wo ye. Obi anhwe. Oti radio so ye me your show. Obi anhwe. Jai hwe. Mama hwa de bi ha. Wo dem hwa de bi ha. See, I don't call a year. When I live show this year, TV for the radio for wow, your live show be a jai because any idea will be a beshe. It's will be a jai. Obia so your live show ne obia be. Kevin Taylor your live show obia jai. Obia your live one air live show Mr. P. Mr. S. One air live show GTV Ghana. I'm going to put a stomach on one. GTV for your show. 2 avero mo nyadi patu mundum ni nam kodan kwasiafo na mo ye show the same me ye show mu GTV mu ye show the same 1 nipa 1 na ehwe TV run na ehwe adaso we je am gwa na ehwe national television wan biem na ye show GTV ye show T nipa 1 me se obi anye show sama ba ewia no me be sedi nyira Conan the Destroyer ye se wan biem na ye show me says cheche me go from ye show sisi me pese me hu obi o ye show obi a number well obenya 2000 me jai one day show sisi a mama hwe besides into the whole Ghana obi anya show GTV yet to GTV they know GTV the so munye TV pro they munye besides abeg one day show sisi a besides it obi anya live show Ghana sisi a TV bi any live show ni aseme sokra ni Ghana National Association of Teachers, I can sing in there, and I want to stress a little bit on it. And I agree with them to some points. Starting in the Ghana National Association of Teachers has raised concerns over what it describes as insufficient budgetary allocation to basic education. President Prosper Techi, speaking after the association's National Council meeting at Ejiso Abankro, called for increased investment and the establishment of a dedicated fund for basic education. And let's go listen to the president of Ghana National Association of Teachers.
Council again has observed with great concern the inadequate budgetary allocation to the basic education level within the Ministry of Education. The truth is that in the year 2026, only 990,500,000 Ghana cedis. I'm picking the figure again. In the year 2026, that is this year, if you look at the budgetary allocation to the Ministry of Education, only 990 million Ghana cedis, 990,500,000 Ghana cedis representing 9.31% of the entire education budget, was allocated to the basic education. And we think this is woefully inadequate, in as much as we are concentrating on the senior high schools, which we applaud government for. We think that it is time to shift its attention to the basic schools. At least that is the foundation, and we need to lay a good foundation for the future, or for the senior high schools. And that is why we are calling on government that it is obvious that quality public education is not possible without adequate funding. Hence, Council urgently calls on government to increase the allocation to the basic level and the institutions of a dedicated fund for public basic education.
I support the Ghana National Association of Teachers. In fact, I believe that the amount of money you allocated to a year, the education ministry, when it comes to basic education, honestly, I believe it's not enough. If we want to get a free SHS or second cycle education papa, the basics should be the best. And NDC is known for paying more attention to the basic schools and our basic education. And I believe, I support what Ghana National Association of Teachers are saying. In fact, we need to have a dedicated fund for basic education. The way you want a dedicated fund for health, you want a dedicated fund for energy. We should be able to, at least for basic education, we should have a dedicated fund there. This is for infrastructure, it's for expansion, it's for making sure the Enquarana Omunyendru SS they will get the necessary materials. Because if we are not able to prepare these young kids at the basic level, your Mudu SSR, they become a waste of time. And for every senior high school and our second cycle education to work or become successful, you need a stronger basic education. I believe, what National Association of Teachers are saying, it is very true and it's on point. The government should listen to them. It's very important because and they are not saying, the government isn't trying or the government isn't bringing money, but they are saying it is not enough. The kind of work we need to do, the kind of a core basic education, we all believe, we all understand, it needs to be a lot. The attention we are giving to second cycle education, it is good, it is great, but it is looking like we are neglecting the basic education. And in Kurano, class 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, GSS 1, 2, 3. That's what we have fundamentals in the writer. The SS is going to be tough because according for SS, not GSS, not Wontumi ready. Wontumi Troye, comprehension, Wontumi nye, Wontumi enye bibia, enye math, Odu SSR, Obetina school kekenu. So we need to pay more attention to the basic schools or basic education. So I believe, the government, the finance ministry, the education ministry, you guys should sit and meet at a point. We need to at least a fund for basic education. A fund. A photobia, a waha, enquara omoko from nursery to a year JSS3. I was say Yetumi Emma Yenikoho. In this era, we are not even supposed to have any basic education and at school dimo I say. And this say in schools and a tree. And this say enquire a lack a desk, materials to learn. Teachers are supposed to be accommodated well in the basic education level. Because a whole and a BBA a whole and a addition and kasawo. Let me tell you, second cycle education, it is basically to go chew and pour. But when it comes to basic, it is not chew and pour. When it comes to basic, they are now beginning to learn new things. They are now being introduced to grammar. They are being introduced to writing. They are being introduced to how to write, to express themselves. They are being introduced to arithmetic, math, how to do calculation. They are being introduced to new things. So from the beginning, so when you're write, now say more basic, I understand it. You're more yet. Now so miss that liner. SS will be a waste of time because if you don't have the basics, you cannot read and understand. We need to pay more attention to basic education. And I agree with the National Association of Teachers. With this, I agree with them. And I expect the government, Mr. President, the Education Minister, the Finance Minister, this is something we need to pay attention to. In the next budget, let's try and move things around a little bit. And if even a fund in the and then multi-million-dollar companies can put something in it and we can at least allocate some of our revenue into that fund to help sustain and protect young people who are basic level. It will help us. So I support the Ghana National Association of Teachers on this matter. We need to all speak on this matter. We need to put our voices in there. This is not political. This is not about NDC, NPP. This is about we helping building the foundation of our children. Because say a young Korano foundation at the primary JSS level, I'm telling you, the no SS in your waste. You want Kora and the more SS or to me myself. You want Kora or SS they cannot express themselves because they did not get the basics right. So let us all try and get the basics right. So please, this plea from the Ghana National Association of Teachers, we should not play with it. We should pay attention to it. And I hope, I believe, and because I know the finance minister is an intelligent guy, I understand what I'm talking about when it comes to basic education. The budget that is coming, they should try and create a little room for basic education. If it's a fund we have to put together, let us try and do that. Now, the next thing they spoke about, something we call the Ghana National Association of Teachers is calling for an extension of maternity leave for female teachers from 3 months to at least 4 months. Now, President Prosper Techi, speaking after the association's National Council meeting at Ejiso Bankro, said the demand forms part of broader concerns over conditions of service and investment in basic education. Ghana National Association of Teachers, call the annual meeting, at Zambako Masade Tudja and say, Omo pese sebio ema omo ye teacher for omo kowa de bia omunya 3-month leave no. In fact, anka ye 4 months anka omo pe. In fact, this is also laudable. In fact, to be very fair, oko baby to Canada, okowa you can get a year leave. Yeah, a year. You get 6 months paid and 6 months not paid. You see, so if some places are able to do a year, because carrying a kid for 9 months, remember, so we are. The most difficult part is the first 5 to 6 months of making sure akorana be nipa. So we have to also really look, especially some people get help from their husbands. Some people get help from if they have money, babysitters and all that. In Ghana, it is not like that. Obana Sebio wakochim anase 9 months awawono. It becomes a full-time job for Obano to make sure akorana wati. So we need to at least consider the kind of burden especially in Ghana when they give birth. You see, teachers, some people are if you don't have passion, so imagine say teacher ni or child with school or chen kwara or don kwara or nen kwara to bia now or spending a lot of her time with these kids. Now wawo akwara mono now. She can only spend 3 months with a kid. It is tough. I will say at least we need to listen to what they are saying. 4 months, 4 month leave, say ebia the 4th month in the say a half salary now. At least some people will be able to take that. We can make the 4th month optional. If you want to take the 4th month, you will take half of your salary. I think people will do that. And I say we can negotiate and meet them halfway. Into the 4 months, because okay, 3 months you'll be paid. The 4th month, what is going to happen? And they say 4th month, so person will take care. You are going to take maybe a quarter of your salary or half of your salary. Now, if your mom will say we have 4 months, so I buy it to for the last month, the 4th month, something can be done about it. But I believe say we are a country where we have gotten to, we should be able to give a teacher for and embar, especially in public service, over 4 months of their maternity leave. Carrying a baby for 9 months, teacher for the to their 9th month and son we have seen a lot of them, and you see they go through a lot. It's not easy. They are going up and down Oboha school or child and stairs or so for no cover no buffer. We see them the way they struggle during their pregnancy. These are things we need to consider. And what's that called on your time crampo. Remember, let's be honest. And Ghana awariano oba and bema wa 80% of the job is being done by the woman. So imagine Obako Jan and also 8 months and actually wanyam wabewo or sabafia or besha akorano start 3 months a full-time job. Bema to me free jumaba akorano kura also the mumponka say and then the mamiso muna also kodaka crap. Men in Ghana 90% they don't even do that. And yes, something I didn't hear, and I don't blame them because so we need to also sometimes consider these women. We need to understand they go through a lot, especially where we come from. A chrome had there, everything is shared. Me na me gye me ankasa member me nyina war hospital. I was dressed up. Me ankasa na me gye me ba war. I came home. I had to share the time with my wife. Time I also me dano. I'm up. I'm taking care of the kid. Time I me dano. It is like that here. But in Ghana are taking about 90% of the work, and we need to understand them. It is not easy. I also believe say. Sir, a plea away from the Ghana National Association of Teachers. The government should sit and relook at it, especially when we have a female vice president. They should basically go to the vice president, sit with her, then get to a point. I remember the vice president raised this issue some time back about maternity leave for women. Now all pray for extension. And I believe, say, if they reach out to the vice president, this conversation will be a smooth one. They are going to meet at a point whereby we will all be happy and excited about a year maternity leave. Now, a year Ghana National Association of Teachers, can be for recruitment, teacher recruitment.
The association has taken note of the decision by government to recruit over 7,000 teachers, as against the over 100,000 qualified teachers from the colleges of education and other tertiary institutions. This is not only disturbing, but unfortunate in the light of the promise made by the ministry or the Minister for Finance during the 2025 base pay negotiations, and the promise was to recruit more workers, which includes teachers, into the public sector. In view of the threat of unemployment to the national security, the National Council of the Ghana National Association of Teachers demands an astronomical increase in the number to be recruited, and also calls on government to ensure that those who completed their training earlier get the opportunity before those who completed later. Within the Ghana National Association alone, within the past 3 years, we have had more than 10,000 of our members who have retired or have passed on. And we think that with data presented recently by the National Teaching Council, even on the number of teachers who have left the shores of Ghana, we wish, and we know we have a listening president, if he could issue an instruction for the number to be recruited into the security service be increased. We request same as a union that the workload on our members has increased. And for that matter, we wish that the number should be looked at again and be expanded.
Oh, I very yeah. Mobusado do I dos rodo. Adeng. Wobusa we say yeah that say where you good. Wobusa saka we say I very recruitment abramo. Moko so ade mo ko kira mo nkira de no. Obi o teacher de ne ko gina baby so onko kira de 3 months no ma school da. 2 weeks no see school them. Lazy teaching. But when it comes to teacher recruitment, this government doesn't want to deceive any trainee graduate. What this government is doing is that it's taking its time to employ the number it can basically pay. Boss, you know the backlog there. Sometimes I want you two people to take your minds back. Now, someone say, it's a teacher for sending a form before a bang way back. And a bang way back, is there room? You need to understand, a bang way back will say offer 7,000. Now, this government has not said, it's offer teacher for BM. Now, do you want this government to come in and say, my teacher for 50,000? Now, in the next 2 months, they'll be on the streets screaming? No, it is sometimes, you are biting too much. So, you always, that is why African politicians lie to you people. A government comes to power, the government is being realistic and being like, you know something, I can say I've employed all these people. By the next 2-3 months, these people with the hopes are, majority of them will be on the street again screaming. Why don't you employ the realistic number you can employ? So you come here and you pay way and you pay way and you pay way. Mwanga say jumana mo ya nakasa no effort send abudigum. Manja sheshe montade said you move free Sudan. Manja sheshe montade said mo jiji kwaleba o Sudan. Mr. President, and we need this and the number is too small. Massa. President Ben Mpeso before be juma. Abai Ben Mpeso before juma. If the capacity on to be far on your dang. And this government has never said anywhere else to say they are not willing to do what? Employ more. The government is saying when they believe, say, Sikada or say for Jumatia or car, Obefow, na space in your uncle found Kogum, na Musambe street so and Kasakasa. You are asking for too much. Moka sadodo. Debia my bibi, yantis the teacher for the my bibi da. Yantis the teacher for so this month the yanji salary, ya domaino, nyome moedin, debia ma femoto, monfamaye, modern mo abijan jantra for, debia moma bibindi. You people sometimes have to give back. Debiana, teacher for there, ye pay way, ubusa debi, and ye pay way, teacher for me as a for. Ask for one thing and then insist that thing is done. Then we move to the next thing. And then mabuamu, demokanina, menemo ya fine. And so mo dear teacher for the debia. Bibia and sumo. Moko programmer, ya charge your offer. Nama yibi kofie. Nama bakacha say, ediane granya de. Moko program, moko yase, mobonsa, ya twitch mukaye, mumbonsa ye. Teacher for the old jammy. That's not bad 2 minutes ago, namu feel me. About 2 minutes ago, hey Kevin, you're you. Time and I'm your first 2 stories. Hey, Kevin, first name in Penasimo, but Kevin, dear, hey, maternity as me can't just be a media for you and Panka. Just say what away. I've heard you say, boy, was I Jimmy for boy? 5 minutes ago, not teacher for you, Kevin. Young you didn't ye, boy, Kevin, young you didn't ye. Madame Moga Gravia, boy, we're fucking a people, and this rage, my mom. Teacher for party, obey your monster. Omoko party asia omoji jollof from se bia kosi moto so omo moto nketenkete bi wo ho na omoji jollof free bi na kosi moto so na ma sa betena se de bia 77 na ma pam ntomata ade bi na de bia ma kam ntai gom so enwumbre live band nom da ho nam ho ye hu mu de bia teacher fo mo ho nyam mobo ultimu ko live band na teacher ni aba ho no da ho she long sleeves tie and die no de nam live band ase ye ta hu mu da Papa Penyini, district officer, district again, na ana Friday na joke. Na osha long sleeve na live band say, Monka sa nyoma ni teacher for mo predodo. Munya sika mu ni enchambom teacher for monsa. Teacher for omoba outdoor and the corners. Yeah, check there be item 13. There be item 13. Ya ti, ya be boamu. Na mo kasa dodo. Ja ban betuma ya na wa ye no. 1995 minutes, I'm feeling about, hey, boy, wait, me say, and can you boy, we party and can NPP for come say my 2 minutes ago, boy, what's up?
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. They've been in existence for a long time and have been changing their names up till this day. The nature of who they are. Listen. Munjir, the nature of who they are, what they are, where they've come from, is something they are happy with, and they will be there for a long time. Let's not mimic their behavior. Let us reach into the principles and the values that emerged out of the circumstances that gave birth to us. And if we can hold onto those principles and those values, we will move way into the future and no one can ever defeat us. We will ride and override any obstacle as we did in the past. The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. They've been in existence for a long time and have been changing their names up till this day. The nature of who they are. Listen. Munjir, the nature of who they are, what they are, where they've come from, is something they are happy with, and they will be there for a long time. Let's not mimic their behavior. Let us reach into the principles and the values that emerged out of the circumstances that gave birth to us. And if we can hold onto those principles and those values, we will move way into the future and no one can ever defeat us. We will ride and override any obstacle as we did in the past.
We will ride and override any obstacle as we did in the past. J.J. Rawlings said this, and we have to always remember the words of Jerry John Rawlings.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. You know it, I know it. The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.